Once upon a time, in the quaint village of Everwood, there lived two curious and adventurous siblings named Lily and Ben. They were known throughout the village for their love of mysteries and their knack for solving riddles. As the golden sun set behind the hills one evening, they overheard an old sailor talking about a mysterious island named Lumina, hidden amidst the shimmering waves. Intrigued by tales of glowing crystals and magical creatures, Lily and Ben decided to embark on an adventurous quest. Their parents, knowing their children's determination, made sure they had all the necessary supplies before they set sail the next morning. With their trusted map, compass, and a heartfelt hug from their parents, the siblings set off in their little rowboat. The journey to Lumina was filled with wonders. As the boat glided over sapphire blue waters, dolphins danced alongside while whispering winds shared secrets of the ocean. The air was filled with the scent of fresh sea salt and the mesmerizing song of the waves. Finally, they reached the island at twilight, when the sky painted a mix of purples and oranges. The island of Lumina was not ordinary. Every tree sparkled with luminescent leaves, and the ground seemed to hum with a gentle tune. As Lily and Ben stepped onto the shore, they were greeted by Flutter, a tiny fairy who had a twinkle in her eyes. Flutter explained that Lumina was enchanted and invited the siblings to help uncover its secrets. She told them about the magical crystals that powered the island's glow, but recently, some crystals had gone missing, causing parts of the island to dim. More curious than ever, Lily and Ben agreed to help find the missing crystals. With Flutter's guidance, they set off into the heart of the island. They traveled through sparkling forests, crossed rivers of golden light, and climbed hills that overlooked breathtaking views. Along the way, they met enchanting creatures like shimmering fireflies, talking trees, and even a wise old turtle who shared clues in riddles. Every moment was filled with awe and a sprinkle of suspense, as each creature had a piece of the puzzle to share. They finally reached a hidden cave where the air smelled sweet and the walls shimmered with faint light. With the clues they gathered, Lily and Ben soon uncovered a hidden passage where the missing crystals gleamed brightly. As soon as they replaced the crystals in the island's heart, Lumina burst into a vibrant glow. Trees sparkled with colors unseen, the ground hummed joyously, and every shadow disappeared, revealing the island's true magic. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.